हाय सो दिस इज़ पार्ट टू में हम ये बात करेंगे कि you know what a lot of you told me about yourselves was, देखो please understand this, I am first and foremost, I am an economist through and through. I wanted to be an economist, I have become an economist, I always want to become an economist in the future also. So this is for me, I am always going to look at you all, I'm always going to pose a question to you all with my economist वाली एनक, ठीक है. उसी प्रोसेस में मैंने आप लोगों से जो ये एक्सरसाइज करवाई है of what do you think, how your goals have changed and whatnot. By the way, most of you didn't answer the question, most of you just told me what you've been doing and what you will do, but most of you didn't answer the question that how have your goals changed because of COVID. So don't send me videos in now, but later on at some point maybe I can ask you and you can send me something very brief, and that, because I am interested to know how you managed to figure out your goals and how they've changed after the last year. So the main aim was to get you to basically figure out your preferences, figure out your own indifference curves, so to speak. Some of you have been familiar with the concept of indifference curves, some of you have met me before, some of you have studied with me before. तो you understand कि indifference curves कि मैं कितना ज़्यादा कीन हूँ कि हमें अपनी preferences को map करना आता हो, ठीक है. Personal, अभी हम ये आज का lecture is all about the person. It's all about going forward, how we're going to attack this semester, so to speak, ठीक है. तो और ये इतना तो हमें टाइम अलाउड होता ही है. एंड देन बाय द वे आई एम गोइंग टू थ्रो यू इनटू द डीप एंड ऑफ द पूल, deep end of the ocean, so to speak, and then we'll take it from there. And most of it, what I'm attempting to do right now is I am trying to tell you about myself, because you don't know me, as a teacher. And what I'm doing is I am conducting in an exercise that we economists refer to as signaling. All economic transactions, all transactions comprise of, if not more than, two transacting parties, and almost all of them have information asymmetry built in within the system. Sometimes the buyer doesn't know what he's buying and the seller knows a little more about, by the way, asymmetry just implies that there is a difference. It does not imply the level or the magnitude of the difference in the information that is available to the seller or the buyer or the buyer or the seller. In this case, let us assume, and it's not a very invalid assumption to make, that you were, अब तो खैर फंस गए हो सारे के सारे, अब तो कोर्स में रजिस्टर हो गए, but if you were to audit my class and to see, okay, going forward, do we want to take a class with her or with some other teacher, what would you do? You would check around, you would do your research. And if I was supposedly getting paid per student, so to speak, ठीक है, then what would I want? I would want you guys pick my class, right? So I would conduct an exercise that would be called signaling, which is done by the informed party to the uninformed party, that is you. And you will be conducting an exercise that is referred to as screening, which is an exercise that is conducted to alleviate some of the asymmetry of the information that exists between the transacting parties. And the transacting parties जिसको नहीं ज़्यादा information होती, they would like to gather more information, and that process is referred to as screening. Some of that could be very formal, which would be to audit my class. Some of that would be to even get my resume out. Some of that would be to just ask around and get your basic general info. This is exactly like how you'd buy a car, how you would basically मेरे साथ तो ये कि मैं तो विदाउट रेफरल जो है मैं तो किसी का बर्गर भी नहीं ट्राई करती. अब मुझे होने लगा है कि आई वुड लाइक टू स्क्रीन एज मच एज पॉसिबल टू declutter my screen, so to speak. Okay, so asymmetry of information, I believe, is a very relevant chapter going forward that I want कि मुझे लगता है कि most of you would not have done it unless you studied with me before. Because it is one of those topics in microeconomics, in managerial economics, that gets overlooked because most assumptions that the textbooks are making are about perfect information that exists between transacting parties. तो I think सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोगों को reading available कर दूँगी. There's a chapter on asymmetry of information. I want to know what adverse selection is, what moral hazard is, what द मार्केट्स टिपिकली इसके अंदर हैं, ये मैं आपको एक छोटा सा नोट बना के देती हूँ. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग आई वांट बिफोर द नेक्स्ट क्लास एंड आई डू. ठीक है, बट वन ऑफ द वेज आई हैव जस्ट एग्जिबिटेड टू यू is that I have reduced some of the asymmetry by telling you something about myself. As far as my professional career is concerned, I'm a development economist, and I have been associated with economics departments exclusively also, both at LUMS and at FC. But I have taught for the business school at IBA Karachi and at LUMS, at FC College. I've been associated with the School of Management. So for me, this process has been a very humbling process, because जहाँ पे मैं जब economics department में पढ़ाती थी या कभी पढ़ाऊँगी, तो वहाँ पे मेरा एक वो वाला वर्जन आगे आता है जो कि I know I'm teaching economics for future economists. और एटलीस्ट फॉर ऑल इंटेंट्स एंड पर्पसेस गोइंग कंसर्न इज़ कि इनको इकोनॉमिस्ट बनाना है बड़े होके. लेकिन अभी आप लोगों में से कोई भी इकोनॉमिस्ट नहीं बन रहा है. तो अनलेस यू डिसाइड टू गो बैक, दैट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट बाय द वे, बट दैट्स अनदर कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर अनदर डे. बट unless you guys decide कि okay fine, I'm going to stop here, which is fine, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to enroll in an economics school, and then I'm going to come back and then I'm going to study with hopefully me, and then we'll take it from there. ठीक है, तो मेरे लिए ना ये बड़ा humbling process रहा है. Let me tell you a little personal anecdote about myself, and I do give a lot of personal. पता नहीं को टीचर्स की आपस में बात हो रही थी, हाउ डू यू मैनेज टू सेग्रीगेट द पर्सनल फ्रॉम द प्रोफेशनल एंड द एकेडमिक इन योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, एंड माई ओनली क्वेश्चन वाज व्हाई वुड यू वांट टू डू दैट? डोंट दे वांट टू कम इन फॉर अस? डोंट दे वांट लाइक अदरवाइज जस्ट ओपन अप सम सॉर्ट ऑफ, वो क्या है, क्लिफ नोट्स वाले तो लेक्चर्स तो यूट्यूब पे मिल रहे हैं. तो आई होप सम ऑफ यू आर हेयर फॉर मी, and I hope some of you are going to appreciate that I have finally figured out that my personal and my professional lives are no longer very separate, and that to me was so joyous. Figuring it out that I am exactly where I wanted to be in life, in terms of my personal and professional life. Like, I've always wanted to be here. Maybe I've had a lot of opportunities to be elsewhere, to be in so to speak more ambitious places, the International Monetary Fund being one of them, but no, right now, right here, so it's all right. So in that regard, I'd like to tell you a little anecdote that I personally, anecdote is something, a story about myself. I was at IBA Karachi, and I was younger then, much more naive, much more young, much more sort of, I'll change the world, and I don't think I was as humble in terms of मुझसे expectation क्या है, as opposed to मैंने यही करना है. तो उसके साथ मैंने उनका एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA प्रोग्राम, बिकॉज अगेन ऑन पेपर मेरी CV रीड्स सो ब्यूटिफुली, माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू अल्लाह एंड माय पेरेंट्स बाय द वे फॉर दैट. तो they inculcated कि why don't I teach for their executive MBA program, and I started teaching that, and please note that that was one of the lowest points in my career in terms of how I performed, because I was not able to deliver. After about a month into the program, I decided to quit because the students were not, now I don't think I've told this to a lot of people by the way, या लास्ट टाइम मैंने इसी तरह ही बता दिया था और फिर बाद में मैं सोची थी यार मुझे नहीं बताना चाहिए था, बट एनीवे. सो I think one of the reasons why I wasn't able to cope up, nobody fired me, by the way, I want that on record. Nobody fired me, nobody called me, and my head of department never called me in to say कि जी आपकी complaint आई है, कोई ऐसा नहीं था. मुझे खुद ही लग रहा था कि the students aren't respecting me. I just felt like I was not able to grasp their attention, because मैं क्या कर रही थी, मैं वही अपना एक macro economics का कोर्स घिसा पिटा, मैं उसको नहीं कहूँगी, because I had spent a lot of time and energy in developing that course. But the one thing that course lacked was empathy. It lacked empathy for the fact that these people who are in my classroom, if you have any knowledge of how an executive MBA program works, they're mostly older students, mature students coming back to complete their studies. And I did not have that empathy कि मैंने इनको पढ़ाना क्यों है, ये क्यों पढ़ा रही हूँ मैं, why am I teaching them this particular topic. So in that regard, I quit that. I am not proud of it, but I'm going to reflect upon it and say that I am a different teacher now, because I've realized that if I'm going to teach in the business school, then I have to make it all about where you will be employing this information, this knowledge that I will hopefully manage to, touch wood, impart. And in that regard, the courses have been developed by myself. I'm quite proud of this course particularly. The course has been developed in a way that it is it is an exercise in understanding, sorry, of the markets that surround us. Because I'm not going to say it's all बिल्कुल हम इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं पढ़ेंगे या हम इसमें बिल्कुल मेरा वो फ्लेवर. My job is to make you understand how to slice the pie and then what to look for. So basically, in the next 2 to 3 months, we will not be able to learn everything there is to learn about this particular module. But hopefully that inquiry will start, hopefully that inquisitiveness will start to kind of take shape, and hopefully something will start to, dig away at you. Okay? So in that regard, all I can say is have faith, and yeah, have faith and just listen to the instructions.